Hey guys, it's me, Lily, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm here with Stella. Hi! And we're gonna be dyeing our hair. Okay, do you want me to part your hair first? Yes. I brought a comb in here. Perfect. Oh, you have a nice parting comb. I love Timu! I love Timu. Well, not when it gives me a crooked shirt. Scoliosis. Well, I have scoliosis, so it should be better because it's actually like, but it's not enough. I cricketed my mama's shirt and it says like dance mom on it. It's here. That's why I don't cricket people's shirts anymore because I'm so scared they're gonna turn out like crooked.
Okay, so I have this flat purple and this is like the color it's supposed to be, but it won't turn out that color. And then I have pink, and I'm gonna do like ombre. And then Stella has purple. That's not straight.
Oh.
I should be time lapsing this. Be a great time lapse when I'm taking.
Oh my god! Oh my god. Yeah, why did you post them all so randomly?
Because I kind of forgot to post them.
Okay.
I like to post
Didn't you just put your hair up?
Yeah. It's in a ponytail, so I can do these pieces.
What?
It only has to make sense to me.
Okay. Every time I part my hair, I don't think it's ever even, but I'm like, I don't think anyone's going up to my hair and being like,
I know, I'm like, I feel like it
it's light.
doesn't really matter, but like, it does.
It's just a guesstimate. Oh my god, I used to hate, do you remember like when you started learning like how to estimate?
Don't take me back.
I hated that because I was like, I know the answer. And they're like, no, you need to estimate. And I'm like,
See,
it's
I was
10!
I was the opposite. I didn't know the answer. I just wanted to count. I was like, yeah, but there's obviously not that many, so like, why can't I count? And like, no, because it's faster to estimate. But I'm like, but the answer's going to be wrong. I can count, and it's going to be 12.
I hate school. Why is there a map?
I don't know. Yeah, this is the bowl the ladies at Sally Beauty convinced my mom to buy.
They peer pressured Stella into buying stuff.
So I'm using Manic Panic. It comes in a bowl. They convinced my mom that I needed a bowl and a brush and gloves that we have at home.
Like, right. These are her surgeon gloves.
Yeah, these are my surgeon gloves. They're really thick. ASMR.
You can call Shelly as what's that guy's name from that show? From the surgeon show. From the I Am a Surgeon.
The Good Doctor?
Isn't it like Sean or something?
I don't know.
Sean.
I know I think it's from the show about the doctor who's autistic.
Yeah, it is, but I don't know his name.
Yeah, I don't know his name either. Actually, I want
He looked like a Viking.
Yay. I went to a Viking museum while I was there. It was really boring.
Yes, Stella went to Ireland.
Yes, I'm back from World Cup.
Yes.
The dance one, not the soccer one.
Bruh.
We had, like, any of the Canada dancers had to say that during, like, Ontario rehearsal. Because we were in Toronto during the soccer World Cup. So everyone was like, are you here to watch, like, FIFA? And we were like,
Stella's phone fell in the garbage can.
my phone is always falling, though, so.
Have you ever dropped your phone in the toilet?
No.
I have.
Not.
No. Okay, it literally
That's great.
hopped. Okay, so I was walking past, this is at my old house before I moved here. I was walking past the bathroom and my phone fell and it hit like here and like hopped, or like here. It was like, I swear to God it hopped. It was fine.
I'd cry.
There was no damage to it at all. I was shocked. Yeah.
That's impressive.
One eternity later.
Okay. Should we do your hair first? I feel like we should do like one at a time.
Yeah.
We'll do your hair first.
Okay.
You excited? Do you want me to like help you or do you want to do it yourself?
I'm gonna try, but I'm probably gonna need your help.
Okay.
Just like. Okay, there we go. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, first off, you do need smaller chunks, but
Oh.
it's okay. This will get. Oh my God, your hair's so long.
I know. It's really long.
Like, oh my God. I miss my long hair. I like grieve it a little bit.
Yeah.
I need to cut my hair soon.
You need to move Stella. What is happening over here?
I don't know.
I don't want to get dye on it.
I apologize for getting this on your skin.
Oh, it's okay.
But like, I know how.
I have stuff on my skin from me already.
Right. I'm pretty sure most of it is from you.
Yeah.
I could just not do the back because you don't see back here.
The side eye. That's not happening.
Okay, so let's show off your neck first. Turn around, otherwise. This is her neck. And we'll turn to the side. This is my face. Brad Mondo is gonna like duet this. Yeah. Watch him actually watch. I'm gonna tell you. Okay. Is it Brad Mondo that I'm thinking of? There's one like hair one that came out as like, or like everyone found out that they were straight and everyone was like, you sure about that? I think it was Brad Mondo. And people were like,
I always mix up Brad Mondo and James Charles.
Thank you. Yeah, because James Charles,
He does makeup.
Yeah, it was Brad Mondo, I'm pretty sure. It was like, yeah, this is my girlfriend. And everyone else was like, it's like when that one teacher at school is like, oh yeah, like my wife and kids. I'm like, you're what and what? And like, you sure you have like, you mean your husband and adopted children? Yeah, literally every male science teacher I've
God, right?
Like, one of them, like, he was talking about his wife and kid, and he's like, yeah, like, we're thinking of baby names for our next kid. And we're all like, what? And he starts going on this story, being like, yeah, me and my wife, she actually used to bully me in middle school. We were in middle school, too, so he was like, you better, like, you never know.
Okay, I'm done. Turn around. Show them. Don't walk into the myself.
I won't. And then I want to do streaks.
I don't think enough.
I feel like I do if they're light. You don't see my vision.
No, but I'm saying if we take your hair into that, it's all gonna fall on top of it and it's gonna dye your whole head.
That is true. I could just like rip out pieces and like. Okay. So I feel like
Angle my phone.
purple. Like purple at like the top and then like
Okay.
ombre into pink. But I'm scared. I'm gonna get my colors out.
Okay.
So first you get purple. That's not my problem.
Get some gloves.
My mirror!
Sorry.
It's okay, it's from Walmart. Oh my god, I got it for like $3.
Oh, that's a good deal.
And like Walmart. Like, you know, like when you're going to like the checkout and it has stuff on the wall.
Yeah.
That's where I got it.
I found like everything on that wall is either really expensive or it's like a really good price.
And they're not pink.
Right.
So I put it in your bowl.
I mean, yeah, if you want.
Can I use your bowl?
Yeah, I'll use my bowl.
Wow!
We paid for it for something. Well, it's like the first, so like our first ever like actual competition at TDC. Well, I guess other than like Dance Quest in the fall, but
Yeah.
like it was the View season 1. We were put in the tiniest room ever. Like, okay, so you know when you're like on your way to the practice rooms at On the Floor? So like that little like hallway while you're going that are usually like the boys' changing rooms, we were in one of those. Our full studio. We were supposed to be put with another studio, but that other studio said, no, we're not doing this. Like,
So basically how dance competitions work is like there's change rooms and like each studio gets a change room and like sometimes they're really small. Like sometimes they're at schools and then we're like barefoot in halls and it's kind of gross.
yeah. Although I like when they're at high schools because then each studio usually gets its own classroom.
But Favor last day they combine.
Yeah,
And,
like that's always annoying. Especially like, I don't mind if you're combined for like the whole competition, but if you're combined just for the last day, it's so awkward because you don't know these people. But like, if you're combined like the whole time, you get to know these studios,
Okay.
and it ends up being fine.
Are we ready?
Yeah,
I'm gonna do the first. Oh,
it's purple.
it looks black.
I see the purple.
It's purple on my glove. I don't want to go like too far.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to get like the first 2 strands. and then I'm like, don't care with the rest. Because I'm like, I can see this.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know how the fuck. How do I even? What do I do now? Stella, what do I do?
Are you ombre into the pink?
Yeah, then like how,
Here, I'll
how
pick up
deep
some
should I
pink.
go?
I do about to like here-ish.
Because I also want to like start like mixing it. Like,
Mm-hmm.
should I just put them both in front of me?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, this is so stressful.
Literally.
Have you ever seen Teen Titans Go?
Yes.
You know Starfire and her sister that's like purple?
Yeah.
We're them.
Literally. Well, I'm like, I feel like Raven, my super purple.
Oh my god. I love Raven. Starfire's always been my favorite though, because I'm like, she's so silly goose.
Mine was always Raven, because I was kind of emo as
Me
a
and-
kid, but I went to Catholic school, so I wasn't allowed to be emo.
I worship the devil out of you.
Literally.
I remember my childhood best friend Leah. We used to play Teen Titans Go on the playground, like the field.
Yeah. So me and my friend used to do, except it was just me and her, because I was Raven, she was Starfire, and nobody else wanted to be the other characters.
Yeah, that's how we play too. Should you do the pink?
Yeah, I'll do the pink since I have clean-ish clothes.
This is so fun.
Sunshine and rainbows.
Yeah, one idea I also had was like pink going into orange, but then I was like, I don't know how.
Yeah, I don't know how orange is gonna.
Do you want to just like?
Okay. Also, like, who's the first bilingual person? Does anyone know this? Please put it in the comments if you do. And like, how did they become the first bilingual person?
And like, how did they, like, how did we realize that like gibberish was gibberish and not a different language?
Yeah.
Like maybe it is a different like.
And it's also like, little kids create their own languages all the time. So I'm like,
Do you know how to speak Pig Latin?
like, kinda, but like not really.
I can't wrap my head around it.
Like, I understand the basics of it, and like, if somebody like wrote something down in Pig Latin and like I had like a translator in front of me, I probably could.
Like I've seen TikToks on like how to explain like what it is and stuff, and like how, because it like ends the same as like I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm like I just can't understand it.
I know. I'm like, I feel that way because I'm like, I can like read French most of the time and like understand it okay.
But I feel like it's so much easier to read French than speak it.
Thank you. And I'm like, I feel like I can speak it okay, but like, I can't understand it. Like, if somebody comes at me speaking French, I'm like, I can't speak it. I was like, I'm so thankful I didn't like run into anybody who's like only spoke French at Dance World Cup, because I'd be like, je parle un petit peu français.
Est-ce que je peux aller aux toilettes?
It's like, tu parles un grand français.
Oh my god, it's like when I go see like my like mom's side family, they're all like French speaking, but it's like Acadian French, and they're so like quick with it. And I was there last year, and they were like having like an Acadian festival, and these like girls my age came up to me and started speaking to me like French, but not like like and I was like, what are you saying?
That's like literally terrible.
I literally had to be like, I don't speak French.
Don't speak French. Adieu.
I did dance that song.
I feel like, I'm surprised I haven't done a dance to it. I feel like it's such like a pivotal song.
It's such a
in the dance
I feel
community.
like everyone needs to do a dance.
Exactly.
There's songs where I'm like, everyone needs to do a dance to an Adele song.
Exactly.
Everyone needs to do like
Yeah, like
Are your fingers sweaty?
not really, but that's because I've like changed gloves like 3 times.
How's it look?
I just did pink. I'm gonna do purple now.
Okay. You know Cassie loves reading her books or whatever?
Yes.
She's from PEI.
Yes, I found that out like last summer when she posted something about being at the I was like, what?
I was like, what? Question mark? Yeah. But like she's gotten big. Oh.
Yeah.
But like she's gotten big from who she used to be. Like she used to be a whole lot like smaller, and now she's on like big YouTubers that like. And I'm like, look, I'm so proud she left her room.
Well, I'm like, she's friends with like Brooke Ma.
And like, I'm trying to think about her.
Yeah.
But she just like, she's with like, you know, Alex Warren.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're friends.
Like, that's
Like, what?
crazy. Like,
This is like a traumatic experience. Okay.
okay.
Washing it out. It's awful.
Okay.
It's so bad.
It kind of feels like the dentist.
Hours later.
Okay, so Stella got out of the shower. She is
Blue.
But you can still see
You smell like the dentist.
That's not a compliment. What?
I keep wanting to call it the Minions movie. That's not the right movie. But like, kind of like same vibe. Like, it's kind of going popular right now.
What movie?
The the like purple Minions, but like not the purple Minion movie.
What?
Like, they're from a planet and then they come and they like
Oh.
take over the planet. Like, you know what I'm talking about?
I'm not up to date on my Despicable Me lore.
It's not Despicable Me though. It's like no, it's a different movie entirely. It's Pixar.
Home.
Yes, Home.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Like, think about it. It's kind of like Minions. They're kind of shaped like a minion.
What? Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hair and then I'll be right back after this. Hey guys, so now it's the next day and this is how they turned out. Here, show your face.
Yeah. Mine turned out kind of blue.
You can see it.
Yeah, you can see. I'm trying to make sure
You can show it in the light after.
Yeah. I feel like you can see it.
Yeah. And then mine, the ombre turned out really nice, especially in the front. My neck is a little dyed.
Yeah, your purple spot.
It's a birthmark, what do you mean? But like,
Yeah. The under turned out good.
oh shit.
Yeah, sunscreen.
Guys, I got hit. I am the door. No one tell my mom.
Oh no. Maybe if we like